From challenges in supply chain to the growth of e-commerce, rapid changes in manufacturing, transportation, and logistics are creating more work for your employees than ever before. Monitoring deliveries, shipping products, controlling quality, running safety checks. For workers on the line, the pressure to get things done quickly and efficiently can be overwhelming. So what can you do about it? Empower your frontline with one versatile tool to simplify communications and ease their burdens. With Workcloud Communication, your teams can use a single powerful application for every communication and collaboration need, allowing workers to move through tasks faster and even share devices across multiple shifts and roles. Benefit from the ability to now communicate in groups or with specific individuals. Whether your teams are on the floor, in the aisles, or on the road, Workcloud Communication caters to their unique needs by simplifying communications across teams, enhancing workflow and location visibility, optimizing delivery times, and ensuring top-of-the-line safety with smart features like location tracking and emergency duress. Thinking about setup and management? That's easy too. Simply install into your existing infrastructure without the need for system replacements or upgrades. Don't let poor communication or high incident rates hold your organization back. Unleash the full potential of your teams by keeping them fully connected, safe, and on schedule. Workcloud Communication. Better communications, greater contributions.